How to fix Snapchat ban. So if you want to fix your Snapchat ban problem, then first open up your browser. Then first open up your Snapchat application and go for your profile, which will be on the upper left. And then go for the upper right, which has that settings icon. Scroll down, and here you need to go for I need help. And now scroll down and tap on contact us, and then choose I can't access my account, and then simply choose I see an error while logging into my account. So scroll down, and here you will have these options, right? So you need to simply enter your username, your Snapchat username, and then you need to enter your email address that you have used to create your Snapchat account, and then you need to enter your mobile number with your country code. And after entering all of your information, you will have your description. Under description, you have to write that I think my Snapchat account has been banned and I need some help with that. And after entering your description, you can simply tap on submit. And after submitting your request, now your Snapchat ban problem might be fixed. You will get an email from the Snapchat, and Snapchat might help you with some instructions to log into your account. So that's it. That's how you fix your Snapchat ban problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.